Tired of endless searches for ways to make money online? You don't need special skills, a big following, or a lot of cash to start. What if you could earn your first $500 a month using free tools? No gimmicks, just a real strategy. The secret combined Fiverr, a massive digital marketplace, with ChatGPT, a powerful AI writing tool. Businesses on Fiverr need blog posts, social media content, and more. Demand is huge. With ChatGPT, you don't have to be a pro writer. Guide the AI, deliver quality work, and act as the project manager. Your job: understand what clients want, use ChatGPT to create and deliver fast. In 2025, businesses love outsourcing, and AI is easier than ever, making this the perfect time to start. No degree, no experience, no upfront cost. Just sign up, learn, and take action. This isn't just about money, it's about building skills and proving you can create your own opportunities. Most people fail on Fiverr because they pick crowded services like logo design and try to do everything manually. They burn out, undercharge, and quit when orders don't come in. The smart move? Offer high-demand, simple services that AI can help with, like blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. Use ChatGPT to generate drafts fast, then edit and polish for clients. Your role shifts from writer to AI operator and editor. This lets you deliver more work, faster, without sacrificing quality. You can charge competitive prices and still make a great hourly rate. For example, a task that takes 2 hours manually might take you just 20 minutes. That's your unfair advantage. Outperform the competition, even as a beginner. Ready to launch? Here's your step-by-step plan. Sign up for a free Fiverr account. Use a clear professional photo and a one-sentence description. I help businesses grow with AI-powered blog content. Start with SEO blog post writing, always in demand, and ChatGPT makes it easy. Create your gig. Title it clearly, like, I will write an engaging 500-word SEO blog post with ChatGPT. Set your starting price at $10 for 500 words to attract your first clients. In your gig description, highlight how you use AI for fast, quality content. No clients yet? Use ChatGPT to create 3 sample blog posts on popular topics, format them nicely, and upload as your portfolio. When you get an order, ask for requirements, then prompt ChatGPT with specifics. Example: act as an expert blog writer. Write a 500-word SEO-friendly post titled, The Top 5 Benefits of Embracing Remote Work. Edit the AI output. Ensure it matches the client's needs, and deliver. That's it. Simple, fast, and professional. Focus on quality and communication to build trust. Your first gig is your launchpad. How do you hit $500 a month? Let's break it down. At $10 per article, Fiverr takes 20%, leaving you $8 per order. Each article takes about 20 minutes with ChatGPT, so you can do 3 per hour, $24/hour. To reach $500, complete about 63 orders a month, just 2 per day. As you get reviews, Fiverr boosts your visibility, making 2 orders a day realistic. Deliver on time, communicate well, and provide polished work. Happy clients leave 5-star reviews. With 10-15 positive reviews, raise your prices or add extras like longer articles or faster delivery. This is your invitation. Stop watching, start doing. Open Fiverr, create your gig, and take the first step. Progress beats perfection. Start now and build your first income stream. So now you know, you don't need to be a writer or a designer. Let AI help you earn. Click the link in the description to get my full Fiverr setup guide on the blog. Comment Fiverr Start if you want the ChatGPT prompts for free, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI income hacks.